Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Kajabi all-in-one creator platform, my business building review. Kajabi all-in-one creator platform is a service aimed at online entrepreneurs, coaches, and course creators who want to build and manage their online businesses in one place. It offers features like website building, marketing automation, online course creation, membership site management, and payment processing. Essentially, it aims to be a one-stop shop for building and scaling your online business. Their website provides details about the different plans and features. Kajabi emphasizes ease of use, allowing creators to focus on their content rather than technical complexities. They also highlight the integrated nature of the platform, eliminating the need for multiple third-party tools. While pricing isn't explicitly mentioned here, their website likely offers different tiered plans. This platform seems positioned as a premium option for serious online business builders. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Kajabi all-in-one creator platform. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through the essential steps, and I had a basic website and product page set up within the first few hours. Navigating the interface is intuitive. I found the drag-and-drop website builder particularly user-friendly, even though I have limited design experience. Creating a product, specifically an online course, was also quite smooth. Uploading content, organizing modules, and setting up pricing were all very manageable. The marketing automation features, while powerful, took a little while to get used to. There are a lot of options, but the tutorials and documentation helped me figure things out. In terms of performance, the platform felt fast and reliable. I didn't experience any significant downtime or lagging. I did have a quick question about integrating my email marketing service, and their support team responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how integrated everything felt within the platform. The standout feature for me was definitely the pipeline builder for automating marketing campaigns. One minor drawback was the lack of a direct integration with my favorite webinar platform, which meant a bit of manual workaround. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Kajabi. While the pricing is on the higher end, the comprehensive features and ease of use make it a valuable tool for creators serious about building and scaling their online business. That's my overview of Kajabi all-in-one creator platform, my business building review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.